What's up, everyone? So it's the next day. We're about to go to a little cruise right now. So we're filling up gas. The homie right here. Yeah, we're posted right here. It's about like 7 in the morning, 8 in the morning right now. About a head out right now. Good day, you know what I'm saying? It's your homie Tony, you know. But yeah, I hope you guys can see me. But yeah, it's really nice. I thought it was in arena, so it's really hella like cloudy and shit. Yeah, let me show you guys in the front real quick. It just kind of wacky. Really bad terrain and shit. Look at that. Motherfucker! That fool's throwing his hand out the car. Look at it. About to hop on the freeway, guys.
It's all bad, nigga, we all dead on arrival.
guys, so just pulled up right here to my friend's house and just detailed the trucks real quick. Not too fancy.
Did I do this side?
About to head out right now in a bit. Starts at 10 p.m. I think like 8:30 or so. Heading over to a meetup right now. Just a quick little meetup. My bad, I'll put it right here. So we finally got here. Pulled up. A lot of trucks parked right here with the hummingbird here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna walk around right now in a bit and we're gonna see if more trucks pull up. We're just gonna chill right here for a bit and see what's up. See more trucks fill it up right here, see what's up.
Say